Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to talk about how to use a squishy ball for your 100.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So I like using a squishy ball, especially when you don't have access to small barrels or spine correctors. This could be a really great way for helping yourself, or if you're a teacher, people you're teaching, find a way to curl their head and chest up off the mat without being in their neck. So the important thing is that the ball is squishy. How do you buy a squishy ball? You buy a ball like this, and then you let some air out of it. That's how you do it, okay? So we're going to place it on our mat, and then you kind of put it, like the goal is like aim between your shoulder blades, but for some people, they might be too tight, and they might need to go even lower. The important thing is they're not resting their head on this, that their head should be nice and loose. And I get to be in my hundreds curl, so the parts of my ribs I want on the mat are there. And then you're going to just feel like you can look right and left. I put the squishy ball as part of the accessories deck for OnlinePilatesClasses.com because I wanted you to see how you can use a prop like this to recreate, mimic what a C-shaper or a small barrel or a spine corrector could do. So if you have that deck, thank you. And if you don't, you should get our accessories deck. And there's so many great tools in it. Okay, so for your 100, we've got our head and chest curl like we want it. The legs can be bent like this. They can be out on the floor like this. Or you can place them up to the sky like you're doing the 100. Squeeze the legs together and then pump your arms as you breathe in for 5 pumps and out for 5 pumps. Now, if you feel yourself leaving the ball, you're too high or your legs are too low. You want to be able to curl and pull your heart into that ball. So I'm not resting, but I'm not popping off of it either. I have a good relationship with the ball. The pressure should feel even. And after 10 cycles of breathing, you can bend your knees in. I like to interlace my hands behind my head and then lean back over the ball and stretch out. Sometimes it feels really nice, just like you would over a barrel. And then you're already set up to do the ab series, which you'll see in other accessory flashcards and other tutorials here on this channel. If you have any questions about this, feel free to put them in the comments below. Or you can join us at OnlinePilatesClasses.com, where we answer your questions inside our community every single day. Thank you so much and have an amazing day.